first time I'm seeing media. KUPPET National Executive Board commends the Police Service Commission for its decision to promote all police officers who have stagnated in one job group for more than 10 years. Under the policy, which has been approved by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, the National Police Service Commission will promote the officers without declaration of vacancies or interview.
When a government singles out a sector of employment and rewards them with summary promotions, it is curious. It is good that they have promoted the police who have stagnated for 10 years. But what about teachers?